All right, here's a quick video. Show you one new tool that I've acquired. This red box right there, tip of my finger. It's my icon setup. If you've seen portions of my channel, you've seen me kind of get this delivered. Well, didn't really show it being delivered, but in my driveway, and then struggling to, I wouldn't say struggling, but getting all the pieces into my garage. Garage is still a work in progress. You can see the walls. The second locker is over there. It's just sitting over there. It's not even, I haven't done anything to it yet, except maybe stuff some plastic in there, which they're gonna come in handy when I'm painting. To cover this stuff up, put some stuff on top, just whatever. My original box is here, still very much untouched. You got the two top lockers right here, our top chests. The floor is still a work in progress. So I got this portion to do, paint, all that stuff, but getting it done. Here's the second locker. It's up there. Got my manuals from my taco. Threw some stuff up here. This is Craftsman, torque wrench holder, some plastic trim pieces from my car, RC car. These are the handles for the Harbor Freight stuff. This is that drill template for the hutch. And this is the cord for a portion of this. Up top is just a random, it's just random stuff. So all these like miscellaneous like air tool holders that I've used in the past. That light, which I've talked about, Steelman Pro. Some welding stuff right here, welding holders, and this is a grease gun holder. Talked about a bunch of holders right there. My Power Probe kit, professional electrical kit. What's this? Seal bearing driver installer 2-piece kit. These are just some gear wrench and Tecton torque wrench holders and Sonex, just empty cases. Butane, MAP gas. These are the original holders, the Icon. Towel towel. This Sure Shot is filled, but it's, for some reason it's not spraying. My Pulsol battery, 2 of them at least. This is my Motive fuel, or what do you call it? Motive funnel setup. It just comes in a lot of pieces. I don't want to lose them, so I just left them in there for now. So I've just kind of stashed stuff up here. No rhyme or reason why any of this stuff is up here, but it's up here. Picked up this Franklin Sensor Pro Sensor 710 stud finder. Doesn't have any battery in there, but always need that for hanging stuff. There's that new tool. If I can get this thing to focus. It's the Sealy 5-piece double-edged screw extractor set. That's the model number there, AK752. I believe Nifex makes a set of these, and there are probably a bunch of other people that made them. So I think the Nifex, the only reason I got these was because the only reason I got them really is because they're in a case, and this is a small enough case where, you know, it will contain all the pieces, and even if I gotta swap them out, there's always a place to put them. But we'll see how well these work if I ever had to resort to using them. So there's that. Comes in a nice little case. So that's the only new tool that I have in the case. All right, so the rest of this video, doing a lot of tile stuff, not including, the tile is, the grout or the mortar tile thin set, whatever is to finish that portion of the job. But I gotta fix the bird situation, the pigeons and stuff. Talk about my den fix over there. It's new to me. Got it on a, I'm called a killer deal, but they included the bottom portion. So, off note, if you buy something like that, this is a 220, and I'll do a video on this, but while I'm at it, if you buy something like this, it doesn't come with the plug install, because 220 might be a variety of different plugs. So they just give you bare wires and you can get the plug that you need. Pittsburgh floor jacks. I was doing some work around the house, and so I have my tool belt with a bunch of gizmos in there. This thing is pretty fast. Yeah, pretty fast. What else I have in my tool belt? I was doing some drywall. I realized that was my first time doing drywall, and it's really not my cup of tea. Just some drill bits and electrical stuff. I was doing a bit of everything. Drywall, electrical, you name it. I always try to do stuff. I gotta put those expanded metal up there to block some birds. Yeah. Anyway, enough of that stuff. We'll see what's in the toolbox. The rest of this is gonna be silent because and just quick like everything else. I did take out the little tray. It's right up here. It's not really a junk drawer, it's just a placeholder for all the manuals and stuff until I find the bag that I have those in. yeah, that's a quick look at the toolbox so far. Definitely not the final product. It's definitely a case of me doing stuff where it fits for now. I think it's going to be a sight to behold once I get done, but it's definitely not a priority right now. Definitely have more pressing issues ahead, but in the meantime, it's a work in progress. I only have it set up there so I could haul away the cardboard boxes, the pallet that it came in, all that stuff, try to set it up as much as possible. Still figuring out the technicalities of how I'm gonna get these top pieces up there. Might phone a friend, we'll see. Might sort of through it by myself. But yeah, should be good. Yeah, that's about it. That's me, I would say, like on a editing.